In this video, I'm going to be working out an individual integral. I'm going to take a look at the integral of 1 over cosine x quantity squared dx. All right, now initially here on this one, you're going to have to do some thinking to figure out what you're going to let u equal. All right, recognizing that 1 over that cosine x quantity squared is a reciprocal identity and is equivalent to secant squared x, then hopefully that's going to lead you to your thinking of, okay, so is there something that I know when I take the derivative of it, I get a secant squared x, okay? So letting u be tangent will get us this derivative, in which case then we can make a substitution, and then we're going to be able to cross things out and everything will work nicely. All right, so moving forward with that line of thinking here, we're going to let our u be a tangent x, because here when I take the derivative, I'll have a du is equal to a secant squared x dx. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and at this point replace the secant squared x with what I know it to be equal to. So du is equal to 1 over cosine squared x dx. Now I want to go ahead and solve all the way down for dx. So then I'll have a cosine squared x du is equal to dx. Now I'm going to come back up to my original integral and I'm going to start doing some substitutions. All right, we'll leave the integral. We'll leave the 1 over cosine squared x there. All right, our only substitution then is going to be for that dx for what it equals. So cosine squared x du. That's going to allow those cosine squared x's to cross out. All right, then we'll be down to a pretty simple, straightforward integral. We'll have the integral of a 1 du. Integrating 1 with respect to that du there is just going to give us a u, and we can go ahead and add that plus c because we've integrated. Last step would be to take the u and replace it with a tangent x. So then we'll have tangent x plus c. So once you get started and can figure out what you've got to let that u be, then it became a pretty straightforward integral. But the key here is knowing all those different trig identities, things for substitutions, thinking ahead. All right, once you see this, what function do I need to get this? You know, what function can I have that when I take the derivative of it, I get that allows me to lead to that conclusion. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.